Turning across oncoming traffic remains one of the most dangerous manoeuvres in day-to-day driving. Kia's Junction AEB uses a radar sensor located at the front of the vehicle and a camera mounted inside the windscreen to monitor the road ahead and detect and react to a potential collision if you are going to carry out a right-hand turn across the path of an approaching vehicle. The system will operate when your vehicle's speed is between 10 to 30 kilometres an hour and the oncoming vehicle speed is between 30 and 70 kilometres an hour. Initially, the forward collision warning message will appear on the cluster, an audible alert will sound and the steering wheel will vibrate. If the driver does not react, collision warning will then change to emergency braking to advise the driver that the car is about to apply the brakes to bring the vehicle to a stop. If the vehicle is stopped due to emergency braking, the drive carefully warning message will appear on the cluster and brake control will end after approximately 2 seconds, allowing you to safely complete your turn. Junction Autonomous Emergency Braking, part of Kia's active safety technology.